Now the next thing that we want to do is when a user clicks on the details, we want to display all of the product details on that page, and we will display a button to add to our shopping cart. How will we do that? Let me stop the application here. We will switch back to our home controller and we have the index action method. Let me close everything else here. We will copy the index and paste that one more time. This method will be details. Now when a user goes to view the product details, we want to make sure that they log in. So we will add an authorize attribute right there. Then the model here will not be a list, it will just be a single product DTO. So we can call this as model. From product service, we will be getting get product by ID async, and we have to pass the product ID here. So comma, we will pass the product ID. We have not received that, but if you notice inside the anchor tag, we are passing product ID. Let me show that to you. If we go to index, go to view, right here we are passing the ASP route product ID. So we will retrieve that product ID in the details and we will pass that to our product service. Based on that, we will get a response and we will deserialize that to a product DTO model. We assign that to our model and we return back to our view. This looks good for the get action method for details. Now the next task is to create a view. So we will add a view here, razor view empty. We will call this as details. Let's add that. Let's continue working on the details view in the next video.